Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max CarPlay is not working and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to do a reboot on your iPhone. That is what you have to do, which means it's like a restart. For this we just need to tap over here in the settings, scroll down and navigate to general. Keep scrolling down. There is an option called shutdown. So you can just do this up and you can slide to power it off. Once you turn this off, you have to turn it on once again and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Because a simple restart can fix a lot of issue. So you can try with a restart and check whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about we need to reset phone settings, which is a very important step. And how to fix this? So just tap over here on the settings. Now scroll down and navigate to general. Keep scrolling down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. There is an option called reset phone settings. You can go for reset old settings. Once you're done with the reset old settings, it will be like a fresh start and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Still, if the issue is there, and you can try with the next step. Next step is all about nothing but we have to do a factory reset. That is also same as it is. You can do a complete reset. So I'm going to go over here, tap on the settings once again, go over here in the general, keep scrolling down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Go for erase all content and settings. That is what you have to do. Once you do this, you have to keep in mind you'll be losing everything over here. So if you wanted to take any kind of backup, you have to take it appropriate backup. Once afterwards, we just need to try and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Still, if you're having the issue, you can go for the fourth step. That is all about we have to check the date, time and region should be correct. So tap over here in the settings. Now go over here in the general. Now from here tap on date and time and make sure the time and time zone should be correct, which is very important because if it is not correct, you will be having a lot of trouble. So it is very important that this should be correct. And once you cross check this out and if you're still having the issue, then we just need to move to the next one. Next one is all about we just need to make sure that you have to update the iOS. So we should be having a stable internet connection. You should be having either the cellular data or Wi-Fi. Both are fine. And once you go over here, tap on the general, go for software update and you have to make sure that you're on the latest version of software update. I'm already on 17.0.1, so I can update it. So if you're having any of these kind of updates, just update it. And once afterwards, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Last and the least one is all about you can try with, if the power mode is enabled, you have to turn it off. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here you can navigate to the battery over here. And over here if the power mode is turned on, we have to turn this off. Once afterwards check with the CarPlay and that will be working fine. So these are the possible workarounds and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.